beauty bears, Waah Gwaan. Welcome back to another video on my channel. So today I'm back with another freestyle video. I am so excited about sharing this process with you guys. I'm just excited to walk you guys through. But before I get on with the rambling, hi, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Yes, you hear me? And also tap the bell beside the subscribe button so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. And also follow me on my social media, Bare Beauty Services. Link will be in the description and also on screen. So please go and check me out. I post. Let's leave it at that. I post. So today's video, it represents a fruit basket. That's a vibe that it's giving me. And once I did the pinky finger, yeah, that's a vibe that I was getting, and I was like, okay, this is the path that I should take. So this video was kind of a, when I was starting out, I was expecting it not to go as well as how it's going right now, but which is another story. My love self-doubt myself before the thing actually go on. So yeah, so that's another story. But these videos really turned out really good. So do you know, and it also reminds me of the carnival. I mean, Brazilian carnival, very colorful. I mean, the Caribbean carnival also very vibrant and colorful. I know those person with the fruit baskets on top of them head. I know it has nothing relating to the Brazil carnival, but I mean, that's the mixture that I was getting. I was like, yeah, I really like these nails. So I am using multiple colors, multiple glitters on these nails. As you guys can see, I am using some fine green glitter, some chunky pink and yellow and blue glitter, which is, hitting the nails on a different level. I'm really excited about these nails. So because I don't know how you guys feel about it, but like when I'm dealing with glitter type stuff, I tend not to want to cover it with, the cuticle color. When you do, let me not, complicate stuff. Like when you ombre and you have to get a nice, fade. So if you use two colors, for instance, you have to get, and the cuticle has to run through the tip color. I didn't want that because it would have taken away a lot from it. So I decided that I will place the nude down first, then go on top with the glitter, and then go on top of the glitter with the fruits, which was a bomb idea, and I was so excited with it. There's not much to explain about this, but I don't want to bore the guys with my talking. Some persons like to watch it without any talking and music playing. Some like it when you speak. I think I'm at that point where I feel more comfortable speaking and interacting, even though you're not there. I feel much more comfortable doing so. So I am taking, for the fruit, I'll be using banana, orange. It's just any random fruit decals that I can get my hands on. I will, take them up. It doesn't matter what fruit it was. But guys, Jamaica has been hot. Hot, to where my products are not functioning the proper way. It's drying fairly quickly. There's a lot of videos that I need to put out, but I feel like this heat is taken away from my dreams. It's just drying fairly quickly, and even if the liquids are very slow, or the products are very slow, it's still drying fairly quickly. Or is it just that I work fairly slow? That be it. Hey. But anyways, I repeated on the pinky, the ring, and the thumb were similar. The pointer and the middle fingers were fruit nails, which I can't. I have to say it again that these nails were bomb.com, and I did them in my favorite shape was cotton. So yeah, yeah. So yeah. So if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel and you skip out, why do you do that? I'm interested, eh? If you guys are new to my channel, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. If you're not yet a member of my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, tap the bell to get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week. So ensure that you're subscribed, and I don't have a designated time for when I post, so ensure the bell is okay. And also follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty Services. As I said, I post. And yes, guys, I don't want to bore you anymore any further. The video is very self-explanatory, and I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Cause